Welcome to Revosa's system. Please like, share, and subscribe on this channel. In this video, I will explain how you can create a professional logo design using Canva. I will guide you step by step from start to finish, showing you how to choose the right template, customize colors and fonts, and design your own unique logo easily. This complete beginner-friendly guide will help you create a stunning logo for your business, brand, or personal use. No design experience required. Let's get started.
First, open your any browser and search canva.com. After searching, you'll see a clean homepage with design suggestions, recent projects, and a search bar. Simply click plus icon and search logo. Click on it. Opens when you start a design. And left sidebar in you will see already created designs. If you want to search your logo, for example, I will create a Metro logo design to I will search M logo design. As you can see, a lot M logo design I will show. If you like a logo, simply click on it. For example, I like this logo, so when I click on it, this logo will appear in front of me. Now I will change company name and second name. Now, as you can, this logo is not adjust. So I will resize this. Now, as you can see, my logo successfully resized. Now I will adjust this. This name size is very short. I will long this size. Now this logo looks beautiful. Now this font is not correct. I will change my company font in Roboto. This font is very excellent. And I will change my company color. If you want to change your logo color, so I will change it. Now this looks like better. Now, if you wanted this logo remove and upload your own logo here. So I will upload it. As you can see, I will successfully upload it. Now, if your logo complete design to lick file and click download. And adjust your settings and click download. Now, as you can see, this logo is completely ready. Now, if you like this video, to please like, share, and subscribe on this channel.